sticking with GPS watches, the next thing on this month's GPS Training podcast is a chat with Tom from Garmin about the new Fenix 6S Pro Solar, which has just come into stock literally in the last couple of days. Now, I'm also recording this, so if you go onto our website, you'll see Tom there. He's actually outside his garden, Tom. I'm very impressed on the podcast, recording on your, I don't know, on your iPad or your iPhone, I don't know what you're on.
Yeah, on the phone. Can't beat it.
Very good. That's civilization for you, isn't it? And I'm just saying, there's some tweeting in the background. Seems very rural where you are.
It is, yeah.
Brilliant. So quickly, Tom, Fenix 6 has been with us a couple of months, well, 3 or 4 months now, hasn't it? Just a bit of background about the Fenix 6 range, about the benefits of it, and then we'll kind of move straight on to the new solar watch that's just come out.
Yeah, so Fenix 6 is our premium multisport watch range. There's 3 different sizes in there. You've got the 6S, the 6, and then the 6X. It's the 6X we're going to talk about today, the solar version. And they've got all our top-end sport features. So run, bike, swim, ski, lots and lots of different sports in there. Plus you've got outdoor, so you've got navigation, grid references, you've got a compass, an altimeter, all built into a premium bodied watch.
Fantastic. And the key thing is, we've never seen this on a Garmin GPS watch before, is this solar panel. So it's this top end stuff. So we're talking £849.99 watch here. We're not talking the basic. This is the top end X range, slightly larger. So we've already got increased battery life on this range. And now we've got this solar screen, haven't we, Tom, which improves our battery life even more. Quickly, how's this solar screen works? I think there's 2 screens in there, or 2 solar panels, isn't there?
Yeah, so this is the first time Garmin have used solar technology in a watch. There's 2 different photo light receiving panels inside there. So you've got a 1mm grey ring just on the outside of the screen, and that can receive 100% of the sun's light and turn that into power. And then behind the actual digital display, you've got a sensor that can receive 10% of the sunlight. So combination of the 2, using as much surface area as possible to get power into the watch.
And with this watch, we know the top end Garmin watches usually have a sapphire screen, because it's got this solar panel. It's got the Pro screen on that, right? This is the Gorilla Glass, isn't it?
Yeah, so this has got the new Gorilla Glass 3 screen on there.
And normally, normal Garmin watches, the X range, normal battery life as a smartwatch is 21 days, and when we're using it as GPS is 60 hours, isn't it? So we've already got very, very good battery life on this latest range of watches, haven't we?
Yeah, so the 6X was a big step up from the 5X Plus that we had in terms of battery life, and it's also a big step between the 6 and the 6X. This is really the X series is all about power, and yeah, 21 days in smartwatch, 60 hours in GPS and GLONASS mode. So when you're fully using it, it's recording all the time, 60 hours.
So with the addition of this solar panel, how's this increasing battery life on this GPS watch?
So the given figures are in smartwatch mode, it can add up to 3 days to the battery life to take it up to 24 days.
Right.
Out on the hill, it can add up to 6 hours of battery life.
Mm-hmm.
And then you've got some other modes. The new power management system on the 6s is very different from what we've done before. So you've got things like expedition mode, where it goes 46 days and it'll add another 10 days, and even battery saver modes where you can go from 80 days and add another 40 days to that as well. So really the
key thing with the Fenix 6, Tom, is you can turn off certain functions. That's the key thing, isn't it, really? So rather a traditional watch, it says, right, you've got 25% left, which how long is that going to last? With the new Fenix, we can say, right, I'm going to switch this off. This increases your battery life by 3 hours or 5 hours, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. And there's lots and lots of different battery modes in there.
And because we're right at the top end, this is the titanium body, isn't it, as well, compared to is it normally steel? Is that, what's it, I don't know, it's normally made out of?
Yeah, we use a stainless steel body, but this is a titanium body.
And what's the benefits of that titanium body then, Tom?
Ever so slightly lighter in design.
Fantastic. Brilliant. So we're just getting them into stock. Well, actually, by the time the podcast go out, they're actually going to be in stock. I think it's a big game changer. It's interesting to see that solar technology come in. Again, on a nice sunny day when you're out walking and the sun's shining, yeah, there'll be some benefits of it. Again, this time of year when we're talking December and you've got it under a thick coat, there's going to be very little benefit from it. but it's going to increase that battery life a little bit more when we're out and about, isn't it?
Yeah, so they kind of say that if you sees three or 3+ hours sunlight a day in general watch mode with limited notifications, it's close to battery neutral, so you won't ever need to charge your watch.
Right.
But then the figures that we quoted are based on 3 good hours of sunlight per day. So walking in the summer, you're definitely going to be getting really good charge on the watch. You know, for those bigger trips where there's longer days anyway, so you need that extra battery life.
So
the
if you're
watch
out,
really clear. Sorry.
I'm going to say that
Really
you're out in summer walking along. If you're walking summer long distance trail, Tom, with a t-shirt on, it could be not far off battery neutral, and that's what we're saying, is it?
Absolutely, yeah. In watch mode, definitely, it could be pretty close to battery neutral. Yeah,
Wow.
absolutely. And it very clearly shows you on the screen with a little icon as well how well it's charging, so you can clearly see what kind of battery life you're getting into the watch.
Well, I'm sold on this. I'm going to get one on my wrist, Tom. Don't you worry. You see me. If people are listening on past podcasts, I've been waiting for this. It's a really good addition, and it is nice to see such a big radical change on the outdoor GPS watches. So yeah, well done to Garmin. It's brilliant. Anything else to add, Tom? Or I think we've kind of covered everything, haven't we?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
That's brilliant. So if you want to find out more about the new Fenix 6X Pro Solar, just go to our website, which is gpstraining.co.uk. Click on the store, and on the bottom left-hand side, you will see Garmin GPS watches. Thanks, Tom, for joining me on this month's GPS Training podcast.
No problem.